to be a better way.
Hi there, welcome to my program called WYSIWYG, which stands for What You See is What You Get. This basically is a little reference guide for Warhammer, the tabletop game. We'll go ahead and show you what you can look forward to in this program. When you first start it up, it'll give you right here a nice little Warhammer logo. Also, if you're on the computer, you'll have a console log with just some information. This isn't a full release yet because I do plan on working on it some more, getting a little more fleshed out and stuff like that. Anyways, when you're at the program here, we do have a little help section. This will show you what you need to do to be able to access the references. You just click on faction, which is over here, click on the picture, will show the stats. So let's get started there. So here is, let's start here with Heretic Astartes. Press on that, gives you a nice little photo selection. You can click on any of these units and it will bring up their stats with their name. I have already had some feedback about probably adding the name of the unit with the picture. I didn't think of it because I know all these ones. But in addition to showing the stats on a pop-up window here, it also outputs it to the console log, so you can copy and paste that to another file if you wanted to print it out for like a game you want to play. Otherwise, you can select between any of them, different armies, add different units, and it'll add them all to the list down here. Eventually, what the goal is with that list is to output it to a separate file, so that way it's already all ready to go for printing or just like saving to a flash drive or sending to a friend or something like that. Pretty easy on that one. Otherwise, there are a bunch of similar apps already out there, but they're all very list-based and not very visually appealing, which might not be the case for some people. It might not be a necessity, I mean, for some people, but it's always nicer for me to like have a visual, and it's like a quick thing, like, oh hey, I need to know the stats for this guy real quick, and then just pops up real quick. So I do eventually want to try to move this onto like an Android app or something like that. Probably won't be able to actually release it for sale or anything because this is a trademarked, copyrighted something or other, pictures and game. So they're usually pretty strict on other people releasing them. But either way, it'll be just fun project for me to get more experience with like a GUI, especially for mobile development. And it'll be kind of fun to use because it's a lot better than bringing a bunch of books to a game and having to flip through them every time. Otherwise, yeah, that's my program that I made. I'll show off the last one. And that's pretty much it. I also have a little about me. I made this for my Python programming class at UAT.